Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to make a berry wreath for Christmas out of dollar store items. Here I have several berry garlands which cost $3.50 each. I also have an 18-inch wire wreath which is $2.50. You can also use a grapevine wreath if you like, and some plant or zip ties to attach and firmly secure the garlands to the wreath. I also use a glue gun, glue sticks, and a plier. So we begin by aligning the garland along the outermost string of the wreath and securing it with a zip tie. The zip ties are actually very convenient to use, and the garland is firmly attached to the wire. So you just continue on attaching each garland along the inner part of the rings until you have fully covered them all. And you can start leading up the zip ties by snipping off those extra wires sticking out. So once you have covered all the rings of the wreath, you can start filling out the spaces in between the rings. I just cut the garland into pieces and stick them where it looks like there are big gaps using a glue gun. After using up all the red berries, I have some silver ones from the previous year which I used to decorate my Christmas tree, and thought it would be a nice contrast against the red ones and would pop out nicely. And here we go, a beautiful, economical, do-it-yourself Christmas berry wreath. You can even jazz it up with pine cones, holly, or ribbons. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Merry Christmas!